What is up, YouTube? How are you today? Today we're going to be taking a look at the IK Foam Pro 2 Plus. This is the old IK Foam Pro 2, and this is the Foam Pro 2 Plus. And you can see that is the big difference right there. So you can use your air compressor chuck and pressurize this real quick. You don't have to keep pumping it and all that. When you get this, the valve is not in there. It is just a blank hex bolt in there, I guess is what it is. You take that out and put this in. I used at first I did like that with the opened end, but the gasket would squeeze out, so I went a little slower, pushed down with the boxed end, and it kept that gasket in there. And you don't have to crank it down real tight. You can give it a few cranks and some pumps, and you'll feel and hear if it's leaking, and you just give it a little bit more. So you don't have to crank on it, or that gasket will come out. So that's something that I noticed. But no big deal. But we all know that out there at your car, this gets a little annoying. So got a little upgrade. I have another one, and I put a little addition on there. Piece of Velcro. Velcro, what's that for? This. A bicycle pump. The Sci Plus, whatever it is. $50 off of Amazon. And what it is it's a bicycle pump. And what you can do is hook it up like this. Put that on the side there. And now you got a little pump. It's a little heavy, but you know, kind of worth it. So we'll hit this real quick. There you go, and she is ready to go. And once you spray it, let the air out. All you got to do is hit it again, and it'll pump up to whatever you set it at. And real quick, we'll take it in the bathroom. We got some water in here, and we'll give it a spray. And here we are in the bathtub. Like I said, I got it filled up with water. It's all the way up to 50. Got it set there, and I know they're not made to spray water, but you know, you get the idea. And we can you can see the valve popped up just enough not to release everything, but I set it for just so it's right before it pops and releases it. All right, so see how well it works. And if you're going around the car spraying it, and you're pumping it up at the same time, you'll be able to spray faster than it'll be able to pump, but you'll be able to pump a little bit and keep the spray going. So it's not like it takes forever for it to pump all the way up. It's not too bad. And I haven't taken it to the car wash yet, or to wash my car with it yet, but I have used these without that, and they work just like the other ones. So yeah, if you don't want to be hand pumping them, just you know, just an idea. Cool. Alrighty, I'll see you on the next adventure. Bye.